My name is Anuj Khanna and I'm a faculty member at T.I.M.E Education Pune Center. And this is our one of the 4 videos in which we will be talking about the logical ability section in a SNAP exam. On 16 December, Symbiosis will be conducted the SNAP 2018 exam, which will be for the Symbiosis University, which is one of the best in Pune. So if you would like to be a part of Symbiosis and if you would like to know how to crack the SNAP examination, do follow our video. And also, if you would like to know the strategy of verbal ability section, general awareness or quantitative aptitude, please follow the link given in the description box. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Now let us come back to the discussion of this video, that is logical ability in SNAP 2018. So in order to discuss that, we will be taking a reference of SNAP 2017 and I would like to share some of the views on that paper. Very first thing that we have to keep in mind is, last year, that is SNAP 2017, there were 40 questions, 1 mark each for logical ability. But this year, they have reduced the number of questions to 35, where 5 questions are type-in question, and the pattern is not new to us. We have already seen those kind of questions in the CAT examination. So, one thing that we have to keep in mind is, in CAT examination, there is no negative for non-MCQ question, but there will be negative for non-MCQ question in SNAP exam. So you have to be careful about your answer. And the non-MCQ will contain double marks, hence double negative compared to an MCQ question. Last year, our analysis of a SNAP was, there were 12 to 13 questions based on mathematical reasoning, that is maths-based reasoning. So you have to be careful about this section, but nothing can be predicted in the coming exam, whether again this year the questions will be dominated by this. They might change the pattern a little bit, so you have to keep in mind that your basics should be very strong. Now, the second thing which they had given last year were the question on puzzles. There were 10 questions on puzzles. One caselet was very simple, another caselet was considered to be very difficult as it was time consuming. One thing in the SNAP paper we have to keep in mind is, a SNAP examination is a speed based exam as you have more number of questions compared to the number of minutes. To be very precise, there will be 130 questions that you need to solve and see in 120 minutes. That means per question you have less than a minute and that question has to be solved within that timing. So it becomes very important that you have to maintain your speed. Now, some people, in order to maintain the speed, do sacrifice their accuracy, and inaccurate results are not good as they are going to fetch a lot of negative marks. So you have to balance both. You have to balance your accuracy as well as speed. The problem with logical ability section is, the questions, either they will be easier or they will be difficult. Sometimes the question can click to you within few minutes of observation and sometimes it will take longer than usual. Your job is to identify the easier question in the terms of understanding, and that can easily be done by looking at the questions, whether questions are direct or indirect, and also look at how much information is given. If there is too much of data, do not try to tackle that caselet. But if it is a shorter caselet, you should always try to tackle that first. Also, you need to thoroughly analyze the given information and try to figure out the unknown elements given in the information. See, in logical section, the information may not be given on a direct basis. You have to make a lot of inference out of the given condition. So that is your job to identify. Then there were 12 to 13 questions based on miscellaneous topic, where we have already given the booklets, and the booklets are known as OMAT, the Other Management Interest Test, which contains the topic like coding, decoding, blood relationship, direction sense, and missing numbers, number series, analogies. All of those combined together are called as the miscellaneous section, where individual questions are designed, although last year there was a case slate designed on blood relationship, which was moderate and could easily be tackled. A little time consuming, but any good student who's thorough with the basics of blood relationship will be able to solve that question. The surprise last year was there were 5 questions based on a graph and the questions were based on statistical data. My recommendation, if the similar kind of question appears in this coming exam, you leave it straight away, because understanding those questions will consume a lot of your time. And again, keeping the same point in mind, this examination is a speed-based exam, but at the same time, we have to maintain the accuracy. Now, how to prepare the logic? Whatever question you are solving in logic, you have to keep in mind that the information plays a very important role, and do not skim through the questions. While skimming, we can skip few of the words which are very important to solve that case slate. The words like A cannot be working together with B, or if only A is selected, then B should be selected. These kind of statements are often misunderstood. So we need to keep in mind that you have to analyze that paper thoroughly. So that is it from our side. I hope you will find this video very informative for you. If yes, please subscribe to our channel. Have a nice time. All the best and do very well.